What if you could record your voice once and then never have to record again? That's exactly what ElevenLabs lets you do. You clone your voice with AI, and from that point on, you just type. The AI speaks for you, in your voice, with your tone, your accent, your personality. I use this on every single video I make for this channel. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, step by step, even if you've never used AI audio tools before. Let's get into it. Welcome to the AILabReport. I'm Jeremy, and this channel is where everyday people learn how to actually use AI tools to create content, save time, and build income online. If that sounds like your kind of thing, hit subscribe. New videos every week. Now let's talk about ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI voice platform, and what it does better than anything else right now is voice cloning. Here's how it works. You record a few minutes of yourself talking. ElevenLabs analyzes your voice, your pitch, your pace, your tone, the little things that make your voice sound like you. And then it builds an AI model of your voice. After that, you type any script you want, and your cloned voice reads it back to you perfectly, every time. No recording setup, no microphone noise, no retakes. This is the tool that makes faceless AI content creation actually sound good. And the entry-level plan is $5 a month. That's it. I'll link to it below so you can get started after this video. Okay, let's get your account set up. Go to ElevenLabs, link is in the description. When you land on the home page, you'll see a sign up button at the top right. Click that. You can register with your email or sign in directly with Google. The Google option is faster. It skips the email verification step entirely. I recommend that. Once you're inside, you'll hit a quick onboarding questionnaire. Just answer it and move on. It doesn't affect what features you can access. Now here's the first decision you need to make. Plans. The free plan gives you 10,000 credits per month. That's roughly 10 minutes of audio. It's enough to test the platform and hear what it sounds like, but it does not include voice cloning. For that, you need the starter plan, which is $5 a month. If you're serious about creating content, start with starter.
$5 is the lowest barrier to professional AI voice in the entire industry right now.
Before we do anything inside ElevenLabs, you need to record your voice sample. This is the most important step. Get this right and everything else is easy. Here's what you need. A quiet room. Background noise is the #1 reason voice clones sound bad. Turn off fans, close windows, record late at night or early morning if you have to. Quiet room is non-negotiable. A decent microphone. You don't need a studio setup. A USB microphone or even a quality headset mic works fine. Just don't use your laptop's built-in microphone. A script you can read naturally. Don't perform, don't announce, just talk, like you're explaining something to a friend. ElevenLabs clones exactly what you give it, including how nervous or stiff you sound. So sound like yourself. Aim for 3 to 5 minutes minimum of clean audio. More is better, but clean beats long every time. A perfect 90-second recording beats 5 minutes of noisy audio. Record in whatever you have. Voice memos on your phone works. Audacity is free on your computer. Save it as an MP3 or WAV file. You're ready. Now we clone it. Inside your ElevenLabs dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Voices. Then click Add a new voice. A pop-up will appear with 2 options: Instant Voice Clone and Professional Voice Clone. For most content creators starting out, Instant Voice Clone is exactly what you need. It works from a short sample. It generates in seconds, and the quality is genuinely impressive. Click Instant Voice Clone. Give your voice a name, something like your name and your channel. So mine is Jeremy the AILabReport. Now upload your audio sample. Drag and drop your file into the box. ElevenLabs will ask you to check a consent box confirming this is your own voice. Check it, then click Add Voice. Processing takes anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. When it's done, your voice clone is ready to use. Now let's use it. Click Text to Speech in the left sidebar. Paste a few sentences of a script into the text box. Select your cloned voice from the voice selector on the right. Hit Generate Speech. Play it back. That's you. That's your voice, reading a script you typed, with no microphone, no recording session, no retakes. A few settings that matter. Stability controls how consistent your voice sounds. I keep mine at 45. Similarity controls how closely the output matches your clone. I use 75. Speed controls pace. I run mine at 96. These are my settings. Try them as a starting point and adjust for your own voice. And that's it. You now have a cloned AI voice that you can use for every video you make going forward. You record once, type forever. ElevenLabs starter is $5 a month. Link is in the description. Same link I use, and it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. If this was helpful, subscribe. I drop new AI tool tutorials every week, and the next one shows you how to turn that voice into a full AI video with an avatar presenter. That's the next step in the system. I'll see you there.